What if I told you that stupidity isn't just a lack of intelligence, but something far more dangerous? Something so terrifying that once you understand it, you'll never see the world the same way again. This isn't just a theory, it's a warning, one that was written in the shadows of history by a man who witnessed the darkest side of human nature. His name? Dietrich Bonhoeffer. Bonhoeffer was a German pastor, theologian, and a spy who stood against Hitler. But before he was executed by the Nazis, he left behind a chilling observation about stupidity, one that explains so much of what's happening in our world today. And by the end of this video, you'll realize why stupidity is more dangerous than evil itself. Who was Dietrich Bonhoeffer? Before we dive into his theory, you need to understand who Bonhoeffer was, because his life was as dramatic as his ideas. Born in 1906, Bonhoeffer was a brilliant theologian who could have lived a comfortable life as a pastor. But when Hitler rose to power, he saw something terrifying. Not just evil, but something worse: mass stupidity. Millions of ordinary Germans, educated, civilized people, were blindly following a madman. And Bonhoeffer realized something shocking. Stupidity wasn't just ignorance, it was a weapon. Bonhoeffer's theory of stupidity. Stupidity is a more dangerous enemy of the good than evil. Dietrich Bonhoeffer. In his prison letters, Bonhoeffer wrote, "Stupidity is a more dangerous enemy of the good than evil." But what does that mean? Evil can be fought, you can reason with it, expose it, defeat it. But stupidity, it's immune to logic. It doesn't listen, it doesn't think, it just obeys. Bonhoeffer believes stupidity wasn't natural, it was manufactured. People are made stupid through propaganda, fear, and manipulation. And the scariest part? It's happening again today. How stupidity spreads. Bonhoeffer identified 3 ways stupidity takes hold of society. Isolation. When people are cut off from diverse opinions, they stop thinking critically. Fear. Fear shuts down the brain. It makes people obedient. Power worship. When people idolize authority, they surrender their ability to question. The fool must be made to fear, not to think. Sound familiar? The modern-day folly. We like to think we're smarter now, but look around. Blind followers, viral lies, outrage without reason. Stupidity is thriving. The problem isn't that people are dumb, it's that they've been trained not to think. How to resist stupidity. Bonhoeffer didn't just diagnose the problem, he gave us the cure. 3 ways to resist stupidity. Question everything. Don't accept ideas just because they're popular. Seek truth, not comfort. The truth is often uncomfortable. Stupidity is easy. Stand alone if you have to. Bonhoeffer died for his beliefs. Would you? The antidote to stupidity is courage, the courage to think for yourself. So here's my question for you. Are you thinking or just obeying? If this video made you question even one belief, then share it, because the only way to fight stupidity is to wake people up. Smash the like button if you learned something. Share this with someone who needs to see it. And subscribe, because the truth is a battle, and I need you in this fight. Stay curious, stay brave, and never stop thinking.